Hello my beautiful A-listers, and if you're new here, welcome! So today I am going to be trying some new products. I am going to be showing you guys a new style on me, the Curly Fro, which I am just loving right now. So if you want to know how I go from this dry mess to this, keep on watching. I've got some new products to try. I'm excited. Let's get into it. I'm going to be using this to co-wash today. It's the Long and Locks Grow Wash from As I Am. If you guys know on my channel, I love the coconut co-wash from this line, and I recently got this and thought I would give it a go. My hair is so dry and parched that I thought it would be a great time to bust out these babies. I got my hands on the Miche Beauty deep conditioner and the leave-in, and I can't wait to try these babies to see if they are as hydrating as everyone says they are. So I'm really looking forward to that. I have some of the co-wash in here, but just with a little bit of water to get it moving. My hair has been absolutely begging me to wash and deep condition it, guys. I'm gonna put my cape on to protect my clothing. It's just cooling on my scalp and that just feels so good. I don't know, wash day should really be like a therapeutic event. This product has a lot of slip, so I'm going to try to detangle with it, even though, to be honest, I don't usually detangle at this stage, but yeah, life is for living, right? So now I'm just using the wet brush. I'm going back to my usual wet brush I usually use in the shower to detangle my hair. I think I'll go as far as to say it has the most slip I've ever experienced in a product. Like wow. This is how much hair I lost all over my head, which is pretty average for me. I am back from washing out the co-wash from my hair. My hair was so parched, guys, that by the time I got to the shower to wash it all out, it had absorbed all the co-wash as if it was a deep conditioner. I felt so sorry for it, but okay, let's proceed. Please, guys, excuse my dry, chapped lips. At the moment, I am taking Roaccutane, which is a acne medication that's been prescribed by my dermatologist, and that drug goes in hard on drying everything out in your system, in your whole system. It dries out your oil glands, and at the moment, it's just been coming from my lips. My lips, there's nothing I can do. It stays dry and chapping. And the Nivea lip balm has been doing me well. I've always loved this lip balm. It's just I have to apply it about 100 times a day now. So we proceed. My hair is all clean. I think it did a really good job. The moment I've been waiting for, this deep conditioner right here. Kimberly Sherelle made me do this. It's meant to be a very, very moisturizing deep conditioner. Right now, my hair is parched, okay? So let's see if this baby's up to the test. You boys are not meant to be. Oh my goodness! Oh wow! Oh, your tooth fell out. Oh dear, his tooth fell out. How did that happen?
I just kept on putting on the side.
Oh.
And
it fell out. Oh gosh, you should keep that under your pillow so that, I don't know, mommy and daddy will drop some money under. Yeah?
You should get a tissue as well.
For best results, I'm to sit under the dryer for 15 to 20 minutes, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I will be back to show you the results once I've washed it out to let you know my thoughts on this deep conditioner. I am back. I had the deep conditioner in my hair for over an hour, or just about an hour. I had some things to do around the house, so I kind of just walked around it in my hair, and then I finished off by sitting in the dryer for about 20 minutes. And I have to say, I've washed it out. My strands do feel quite hydrated. My hair is softened. Yeah, I'm feeling it. I kind of like it. So first impressions are good. So I asked you guys to choose between a curly fro and a wash and go for what I should do for my date night tomorrow, and you guys chose dun, 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 a curly fro. I am going to be using the Miche Lavish leave-in conditioner today, and I will be using my homemade chebe oil on that. It smells nice, and that just feels really good. It has some nice slip to it as well. Take some of my oil, apply a generous amount, about that much, starting with my ends. I make sure that this oil doesn't touch my scalp, guys. I'm just applying it mainly to the strands of my hair. It helps with shine, and it definitely helps with breakage. Feels good. This is what it's looking like so far. About 3 twists in this section. I'm gonna twirl the ends nicely. So I'm gonna go ahead and install twists throughout my hair, and I'll be back once I'm done. So I have a total of 11 twists in my hair. In the front, you just want to make sure that you don't do a straight line through the middle. You want to try and zigzag it like this. This will help the fro to fall better when it comes to styling. Now I'm just gonna add some perm rods on the ends, and I will go to bed and see you in the morning so I can finish styling. So to add the perm rods from the end like that, you want to twist the end and just make sure that's smooth on the perm rod, like so. As smooth as you can get it. It doesn't really. And then just roll your perm rod up like that. Voila! Hopefully I should get some nice heatless curls. I will be back to style tomorrow morning. The next day, my hair is completely dry now. All I did was just go to bed, wake up, it's completely dry, and I'm getting ready for date night. My hands are completely dry. I'm gonna do the takedown. Let's see what this hair is saying. I'm gonna rub some oil on my hands and start taking these out. Hopefully we get a pretty curly fro. The twists are all out. The ends of my hair are properly coiled. This one I seem to have curled this one funny, but I'm going to start taking them out now. I'm going to be separating as I go along. I much prefer volume to definition, so I am really going to pick this hair out. So all the twists are out now. Just going to take a pick comb and start bringing this together to create that curly fro look. When I do this, I'm not really too bothered about definition. I will pick it quite a bit up almost until the ends. And you can just pick it out into your desired shape, which is what I am doing. Hey, big hair don't care. Big hair don't care, guys. I'm liking the way this is looking. In terms of how my hair feels, it feels nice. It still feels a bit dry, to be honest. I think I was maybe expecting a bit more softer, luscious hair from the Miche beauty line. It's okay. I think it's done an okay job. I don't think I'm falling over myself with the moisture. Ooh, child, I love this curly fro business. Oh, I love it so much. Guys. Oh dear. Oh, what it do, what it do. Are you seeing this right now? Are you guys seeing this? So I'm just picking it, trying to make sure that I close out any gaps and just pretty much just throwing up my hair as it goes. I really like this side. I think this side is coming out a bit better than this side. So I'm trying to fix this side. I just want to give a shout out to my sister who taught me how to do this style because I love it. I love it when the plan comes together. Full disclosure, my hands are quite oily. I did go in hard with the oil yesterday, but I know my hair is gonna kind of soak it up. The Miche beauty products too seem to have quite a bit of oil in them, so to be honest, you probably don't have to use as much oil or any oil if you did want to, but I like the JB oil because, like I said, it's very good for protecting against breakage. Here's the finished look, guys. I love it so much. Whoop, 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 whoop. Yes, I'm ready for date night, guys. I'm ready for date night. Yes, yeah. I'm feeling the fro. I'm feeling the fro. It looks good. I love it. I hope you guys give this a try. Comment down below if you do, and make sure you follow me on Instagram to show me your results. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to click on that subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified of my videos like a true A-lister. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel, and check out some more of my videos right here, right here, right here. Until the next one, guys. Kisses to my channel. Oh.